In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the WooCommerce cart page in about 5 minutes. This tutorial is going to be straightforward and concise, ensuring you can make the changes you want to your online store's cart page quickly and efficiently. Whether you're looking to enhance the user experience, add custom features, or simply tweak the layout, you're in the right place. First things first, let's dive into the initial step you need to take, accessing your WordPress dashboard. This is where the magic begins. The WordPress dashboard is essentially the control center for your website, giving you access to all the tools and settings you'll need to manage your online presence. Once you've logged into your WordPress site, you'll find yourself on the home page of the dashboard. From here, you have a bird's eye view of your site's activities, updates, and performance metrics. It's also the starting point for our task today. Next, we need to navigate to the theme editor within your dashboard. To do this, look for the appearance option on the left-hand menu. Hover over it and you'll see a sub-menu pop up. From this sub-menu, click on Editor. This action will take you to a new page where you can begin editing various aspects of your theme, including the functionality and appearance of your WooCommerce cart page. This editor is a powerful tool, allowing you to directly modify the PHP, CSS, and HTML of your theme files. A word of caution, always back up your site before making changes in the editor. This way you can easily revert back if anything goes amiss. Once you're in the editor, it's time to focus on editing the cart page specifically. Your WooCommerce cart page is essentially a template file within your theme, and this is what we're going to locate and modify. In the theme files listed on the right side of the editor page, look for the file typically named cart.php. This file controls the layout and structure of your cart page. If your theme follows a different naming convention, or if you're using a child theme, you might need to look for a slightly different file name or location. Clicking on cart.php will open the file in the editor ready for changes. This is where you can really get creative. Inside the cart.php file, you can change how items are displayed, adjust the text, add custom messages, or even integrate new features. For instance, you might want to add a message encouraging users to add more to their carts to qualify for free shipping. Or perhaps you wish to redesign the layout for a cleaner, more modern look. The changes you can make are virtually limitless, but it's important to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve before you start making modifications. Remember, even small changes in the code can have a big impact on how your cart page behaves and looks. If you're not familiar with PHP, HTML, or CSS, this might seem a bit daunting. However, there are plenty of resources and tutorials available that can guide you through specific changes step by step. And if you're ever unsure, seeking assistance from a professional developer is always a wise choice to prevent potentially expensive mistakes. After you've made your desired edits, it's crucial to save the changes. At the bottom or top of the editor, depending on your WordPress version, you'll find a Update File button. Clicking this will apply the changes you've made to your live site, but before celebrating, it's essential to test the cart page thoroughly. Look at it from a customer's perspective, add items to the cart, change quantities, try to apply coupons, and proceed to checkout. Ensure everything works as expected, and that the user experience is enhanced by your modifications. In conclusion, editing the WooCommerce cart page might seem like a technical challenge, but with access to the right tools and a bit of guidance, it's a task that can significantly improve the shopping experience on your site. Always remember to proceed with caution when making changes directly to theme files, back up your site regularly, and test thoroughly after applying modifications. With these precautions in mind, you're well on your way to customizing the cart page to better suit your needs and those of your customers. Happy editing,